Hey, just wanted to see if any Citizen Eco Drive watch owners out there can help me out here. I just recently purchased this watch. I got it in the mail yesterday, Friday, and today's Saturday. And I was able to get the watch charged. It was skipping the second hand, and then it got it out into the sun, and then it started counting seconds normally. The issue I'm having is with the power indicator for the power cell. It's slammed all the way down on top of the 7 and has not moved off of it. So I don't know if I have an issue or if I could do a hard reset to try to bring this thing back to life. My thought is I guess maybe these were a older watch and that they were clearing them out on eBay, and maybe were sitting in these boxes for too long. Either that, or should I just return it to the eBay seller, or should I try and get it repaired from Citizen? Or is there an issue? Maybe I can correct it. All right, I'll leave it at that. I don't want to make this too long. Thanks for any help.